Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can use this battery operated high pressure car washer or the bike washer. For in this tutorial, I am using this with the bike cleaning. Okay, this is the video what I am talking about. In the last video, I did the detailed unboxing, and if you want that video, you can just find that in the description below. And this got two extensions. Okay, this high pressure water spraying one, and the other is just smooth water spraying one. Okay, this is really coming out with high force. This by keeping this nozzle, the present nozzle, this is used to remove the accumulated mud or the dried up mud, especially in the areas like usually our hand won't go right at that parts. This high pressure water will be useful in order to clean up those areas, especially in this engine areas. If there is a lot of mud, with this pressure, that would be easy. The one main advantage of this high pressure car washer or the bike washer is the mobility. We can take it to anywhere. Just with a bucket of water we can try to clean it. Maybe if it is car, it may take a little bit amount of water. I'm just changing the another nozzle which is given with the box content. Okay, let us see how this works. This is a gentle spray. Okay, see here, now you can see this we can use like before using the high pressure one, means to make all the vehicle wet. Just after that we can use some foam material, maybe like shampoo or something else, whatever you may use, and we use the cloth right before using that to make the complete vehicle wet. You can use this, and after the application of the foam also you can use this sprayer to wipe out or to clean the shampoo what we have applied in the process. Okay, let me also show you. This is the bottle what I'm saying, right? This is in the box content only. This is also comes up with the package only, and the user has purchased this for 1215 rupees. This high pressure car washing battery operated. Okay, just check in the description for the detailed video of unboxing or assembling. And just with the water I'm trying to create the foam, because I applied I kept few drops of shampoo in this, so that I'll be removing this water inlet here, outlet, and I'll be attaching this to this bottle so that the input will be the foam water. Now I'll spray this all over the bike, and after that I'll be using some cloth, some clean cloth to just apply that foam all over the vehicle, and then after that we can use the water again to clean. Okay, now this is the shampoo water. Okay, and the good thing is with using only one bucket of water, all the cleaning process is completely done. That I can say. If it is bigger vehicle like car, maybe it may take another bucket also, bucket of water. Yeah, once this is done, the application of the shampoo, I can again keep that foot valve as the water source, and I keep it in the bucket, and now I can just wipe out or just clean all the application, the foam application what we have kept. So this becomes easy because it is easy to carry anywhere. Okay, no power source we need to plug in. It is battery operated. That is one of the biggest advantage, and the water pressure is also decently good enough. And don't compare this water pressure with the engine running water pressure which we see in the outlet.